Hello viewers, Dr. Farooq Baloch here. Today I will be talking about one of the most ignored topics, that is levels of management. Most of the startups fail because their CEOs forget to design the levels of management, put the proper hierarchies to make things functional. It's easy to say that all of us are equal, but once you have 1000 employees, then you cannot treat them equally, you cannot give them equal compensation, you cannot give them equal responsibilities. So understanding levels of management is extremely important. So what is levels of management? Levels of management refer to the hierarchical arrangements of managerial positions in an organization with specific roles and responsibilities. So why levels of management exist? The first thing is that we need a clear structural authority so that everybody knows that's where the buck stop. The second thing is there happens efficient communication if we know that there is an authority. Third is proper delegation is important. Fourth is better coordination, and fifth is effective control. So it makes the organizational performance sustainable, in short words. So classifications of the management level, basically there are three levels: top level management, middle level management, and lower level management. Top level management includes the long-term goals, policy making, and overall organizational direction. For example, Elon Musk sets the direction of Tesla or X because he is the guy whose main brainchild is some project. Similarly, in maybe in office, Bill Gates still runs the Microsoft Office. In Google, Larry Page has the influence, so they set the overall direction. Or we can say the top level management include the board of directors, the CEOs, those people who basically make the policy, who basically decide what portfolio we should work on. Portfolio mean what type of business. For example, when we talk with the millionaires, billionaires, they own billions, they can start any business, but they decide what kind of portfolio they need to focus on. So the top level management, what does they set the vision, mission, strategic planning, policy formulation, and external relations. So obviously whenever top level management interacts with the government, he must have enough powers to make decisions. For example, if somebody wants to meet the president of a country, then from the company it is decided that the CEO should go there or the owner should go there, so that you should be able to take the spontaneous decisions about future of the business. So examples of the top management are CEO, managing directors, board of directors, and in case of the universities, the vice chancellors are the top level management. Middle level management acts as a link between the top management and the lower management. So obviously, middle means that in between the top and the lower. So middle management level, what they do, they implement the plans. They kind of help in departmental coordination, performance monitoring, and motivation. Examples of the middle management are departmental heads, branch managers, project directors. Then the lower level management is or are the ones who supervise the people and do the daily operational works. Includes supervising works. It's the key role include assigning tasks, ensuring discipline, and reporting performance. Examples of the lower management are supervisor, team leaders, and foreman. Comparison between three levels: if we say the top makes the strategy, the middle helps in coordination, the lower helps in execution. Levels of management in real life we can see everywhere: business, universities, hospitals, government organizations. And levels of the management for student must learn that the leadership, the coordination, the career growth under the supervision they learn. So levels of management for professionals, it helps in role clarity, career progression, and leadership development. Modern trends in the management are that the people are slightly making flatter organization, decentralized organization, digital management is happening, but still for the clarity, responsibilities must be clear. Common issues that come across is the communication gap, authority conflicts, and poor delegation. Key takeaways we can learn is that each level has unique role, interdependence is essential, clear hierarchy is important for better managing a company. So we can further, you can, if you are watching it for a class, you can discuss that is the top management more important than lower impact management, or management level changing in the modern organizations. Thank you so much.